Okay, guys, welcome back. Ebol is here. Today we're gonna go market recap. So today I will going to check two great opportunity on our two different trading session. So first of all, let me tell you something about the days and the times. This is so important. So a lot of students think about this. Okay, the day and the time and the market is not important, but this is going to be completely opposite. You know how much is the time and decision is important. You know this is stuff, but the days also is so important. So here, let me open my Forex Factory. Okay. So first of all, let's talk about yesterday. So yesterday was bank holiday. So as I told you in that last video, the market wasn't good, was so boring for me. I had one position on the EU that's became break even. So the reason is after my trading session, I did not update my scenario because I was set and forget. And I know that was going to be, can be the break even. So I just take my profit and this stuff. So the next day of the bank holidays, okay, the market gonna be boring too. When I say the boring, I'm talking about the volume on the market. So I didn't expect so huge move on the market. Yeah, we had a CPI and the CAD and some news on the USD that just increased the volume of the market because after the bank holiday. So yeah, I didn't expect any great position today too, but let's dive into two great opportunity on the market that we can catch. So let me just open my okay. So I don't gonna open my trading plan right now because I want you at this video. I mean, when you are watching this video, I want to go to the nation template and the trading plan that I post to you on Discord and open it. But the reason I don't want to open it, that's I want to you while you're watching this video, open that trading plan and follow the rules with your eye. So that's gonna help you to understand it well. So yeah. So first of all, let's talk about the EU, our first trading session, London kill zone. We had a beautiful opportunity, a beautiful trade. I saw a lot of students catch them. Unfortunately, I missed this trade. I'm so jealous to miss this great opportunity. I was so busy and I didn't have that time to trade on this kill zone. But yeah, let's go through our first great opportunity on the EU. So, okay, let me go to the bar reply mode. I want you open that trading plan that I post on Discord for you guys. Same time, then I recapping this session for you. So for sure, we are gonna wait for London kill zone, our trading session 8:13 UTC +1 to start to open, right? So the first thing we're gonna do, we are going to start from high time frame. So I want to go one candle here to have the market. So the first step we're gonna do is look for the sell side liquidity. Okay. So what we can see here, price take out this sell side liquidity. Do we have any equal lows or trend line liquidity? Let's check. We have a trend line respect here. What about this? No, I prefer to choose this. We have the mitigation money transfer from here to here. So this is going to be a valid equal low for us. So in the 4-hour time frame, we are aiming to this sell side liquidity take out. Now, so the next thing, we are going to look for the range that is matched with our scenario. What is our scenario right now? To take out the sell side liquidity, right? In the 4-hour time frame. So for looking for the range, when we are looking for the sell side, we must look for a bearish range to form, right? So how are we going to look for a bearish range? I know you open that trading plan and you follow it, so that's good. We must look for the last buy sell liquidity takeout in the 4-hour time frame. That's gonna be here, right? Okay, this is the last buy sell liquidity takeout. Above it, the nearest swing high we have, it's gonna be this. So this is gonna be our strong high, and this is gonna be our weak low automatically. So we already missed this. I mean, when I say missed this trade, I mean we don't have any opportunity beside this in the 4-hour time frame. Okay. So, okay, done. Price already tapped in. Okay, what should we do? Gonna remove our drawing, go to the 1-hour time frame. Okay. Now we are in 1-hour time frame. We are going to start the rule again. So the first rule is looking for the buy side and the sell side, the target of the market. So what we can see here, price, take out a sell side liquidity here. Do we have any equal low or trend line liquidity? So we have a trend line respect with this. Okay, so my fault. This is already takeout. We must look from here. So do we have any equal lows or equal highs? So we have this low. We have a trend line respect, the equal low rules, and we have the mitigation from here to here. So money transfer from this area to this area. So this is going to be the valid equal low for us. So what is the next rule? Because we are aiming for the sell side liquidity takeout, the sell side liquidity takeout, sell side liquidity, we must look for a bearish range. How we are going to look for a bearish range? We must look for the last buy side liquidity takeout. That's gonna be here, I guess. Let me just check. And yeah, this is the last buy side liquidity takeout. This was the strong high. This was the weak low, and price already tapped it, so we missed this opportunity. I mean, when I say missed the opportunity, that's saying, I mean, at this current of the time on the 1-hour, we don't have any clear and say bearish range. We had our bearish range, price already, take out the external liquidity of the bearish range. So what should we do? We must go to the 15-minute time frame, right? So we are gonna wait for our trading session start. The London kill zone. Okay, now the London kill zone open. So let me just go one candle before it. Okay. Yeah, that's 8:13. The market and the London kill zone open. So what should we do? We're gonna start the rule again. The only thing you're gonna do while you are starting to analyzing is just follow the trading plan. That's it. You know the concept. The only thing you're gonna do is come at this. Start analyzing at this two great time of the market, two great trading session on the market by just following the mechanical strategy rule that you have. So what we have here, price takeout of buy sell liquidity. Okay, do we have any equal high or trend line liquidity? So we have a trend line respect here. Do we have any mitigation? Yeah, the mitigation observed. Okay, the mitigation observed. This is so clear for us. Okay, the mitigation observed, and yeah, we have the trend line respect. So this is going to be our buy sell liquidity target. Okay, now here we are going to wait for this buy sell liquidity takeout, right? After this buy sell liquidity takeout, we are going to aim for the sell sell liquidity. So we are going to wait for this buy sell liquidity takeout, and if we want to look for the range that is matched with our scenario after this buy sell liquidity takeout, we must look for a bearish range. Why? Because after the buy side takeout, price going to take out the sell side liquidity here, right? You know this. So for looking for the sell side liquidity, we must look for a bearish. Now you may ask yourself, okay, Ibu, why you don't wait for the buy side liquidity takeout? Because this is the backtest mode, and in the live market going to be different. Because in the live market, after price take it out, price doesn't going to start to drop. Okay, we have the 15-minute time remaining to that candle close, and that's time gonna help you to start to look for the other opportunity. So here, because this is the backtest, when I play the market, this candle gonna be finished. The next candle gonna be open. That reason here, let's imagine we take out the buy sell liquidity. Okay, when we take out buy sell liquidity here, this is gonna be, yeah, as you can see. So in the live market, you're gonna can see, I mean, this movement in 1 second. That's gonna take a time, right? So yeah. Now the buy sell liquidity takeout. Let's say after the buy sell liquidity takeout, what's our next target gonna be? The nearest swing low as our sell side liquidity. Do we have any equal low or trend line liquidity? So I mentioned this, guys, focus on the live market, okay? Because we are gonna make from the live market movement. Don't focus on the past, but for the equal lows, equal highs, you can go to the past of the market and start to look at, but I don't recommend it. I recommend you to train yourself to look for the live market. So now, if you want to look for the equal low, this is going to be your equal low. You have your trend line respect, and also you have your mitigation from this candle. Yeah, that's mitigate this. So you can choose this as your target, right? So, but here I recommend you to focus on the live market. So are we going to choose this area as my sell liquidity? Okay. So this is going to be the buy side plus equal high. Okay. This is going to be the sell side, just sell side liquidity. So because we are looking for the sell side liquidity, this is going to be our strong high, the advanced range formula, the last buy side liquidity takeout, the nearest swing high we have. This is going to be our weak low. So the third rule, if you want to direct entry, you're going to go for the NPR. So at this situation, this is going to be so boring because you know you already have this space of reversal. So I recommend you to choose just this space and already, I mean, just be realistic. This is 1.6, so there is no reason to refine it. If you want a direct entry, you are going to set your position below the, on the liquidity here, that's going to be takeout. So the stop loss, 2 pip stop loss. Okay. And where is your target going to be? The sell side liquidity. So this is our direct entry. Now let's see. Market tap in, right? Market tap in. So now let's go for the confirmation entry. Now for the confirmation entry, the only thing we're going to do, just go wait for 2 side clear QM and the 1 minute or 5 minute entry. So I believe in the 1 minute time frame, we can look for the best 1 minute. The best very strange. So what we can see here, price takeout is, we have a QM textbook here. Stop hunt, break of market structure. So now the only thing we're going to do is just wait for opposite of this here. That's going to be our bullish QM. Bearish QM form. Now let's wait for bullish QM. Okay. My bad. So here, what we can see, price, take out the stop hunt. Stop hunt, take out. Break of market structure with body. This is so important. For me, body is so important. So now this is my clear QM, and this is going to be my range. Strong high. Let me just intensify this with strong high, weak low. Now we are going to look for a PUI. So for the PUI, we're going to follow that thing I write you on the trading plan. Okay, we have our range form, go to +1 high time frame. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. What we can see here above the this is the last internal liquidity takeout here. Above it, the nearest PUI we have going to be this order block, right? This order block here. So I don't know. Okay. So now let's get back to our main time frame. So what we can see, guys, here, we have an imbalance, right? So we know that 50% of the imbalance must be filled. Okay. As I told you, focus on the traps. 50% of the imbalance must be filled. Okay. Already tapped in. 50% of the imbalance of the field. So we are going to set our position here. In the NPR rule, the only thing I'm going to do is just focus on traps. Stop loss for the strong low, strong high. This is going to be our, let's say, I mean, the break-even point. And this is going to be our last target, right? Now we are going to be break-even here. Done. Done and dusted, right? You can easily catch the confirmation tree for sure, for sure. In the live market, I write in the, let's say, I also mentioned on the trading plan that you have. Please, 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 when you're setting your position, always pay attention to your broker spread. For sure, if you set this in the, your broker, that's going to be missed by, let's say, spread. So that reason, I personally in the live market, I always pay attention to it. So I will gonna choose this. And also here, I will gonna choose this as my entry. And also for sure, stop loss gonna be, so let's say, we're gonna do the same with the stop loss. So the sell-side liquidity takeout, done. 2 great position on the London kill zone. That's it. The only thing I'm gonna do, just come, start analyzing, follow your checklist, follow your training plan, catch this position, done. I'm so jealous right now why I didn't be able to trade at this session. And yep, anyway, so now for the EU, let's say Euro USD on the Euro kill zone, I didn't find any great opportunity beside this, and that was outside of my trading session. So yeah. Now let's go to the AUD USD. No, my fault. Let's go to the gold. AUD USD. Yeah, that was gold. We decided to talk about the gold. So now let's talk about the gold. Let me just bring here. New York kill zone. So we're gonna start from 4-hour time frame. For sure, I will gonna remove this candle here. So we're gonna do the same. Just we're gonna do the same. So what we can see here, price takeout of sell-side liquidity. Okay, after the sell-side liquidity takeout, do we have any equal lows, equal highs here? Nope. Yep. And after this takeout, our next target is gonna be the buy sell liquidity. So I will prefer to choose this. We have terminal respect, mitigation. So this is gonna be my target, right? So in the 4-hour time frame, we aiming for this to take out, this buy sell liquidity take out. That's mean we must look for a bullish range. How are we gonna find a bullish range? We must find a strong low first. How are we gonna look for the strong low? We are going to look for the last sell side liquidity. That's gonna be this here. The last sell side liquidity take out. Below this, the nearest swing high. That's gonna be this. This is gonna be the strong low. This is gonna be a weak high automatically, but we are targeting this take out, right? And we're gonna find the NPR or POI, and we're gonna wait for confirmation entry. Okay, so now let's say we are waiting for confirmation entry at this area, right? So we have a lot of candle to price to reach this area. So if you want to wait, you're gonna wait. If not, you're gonna switch your time frame and start the rule again. So let's go. Okay. Okay, now what we can see here, we can see price take out the sell side liquidity. Do we have any equal lows, equal highs? This is going to be equal low, mitigation observed. So we are aiming for this. The same step, the last buy sell liquidity takeouts, we're going to be here. So we already messed it, no problem. So we are going to switch on 15-minute time. Okay, so what we can see here, Price takeout of sell side liquidity. After the sell side takeout, what's our next target going to be? The buy side here, the trend line liquidity mitigation observed. So the buy side takeout. After the buy side liquidity takeout, what's our next target? What's our next target going to be? The nearest swing low, that's going to be here. Okay. So that's going to be the buy side. It's going to be the sell side plus trend line liquidity. Okay. Now, because we are aiming for this, my bad. I write them. Yeah, this is going to be the sell side. This is going to be the buy side. Okay, my bad. So now, because we are aiming for the sell side liquidity, we must look for a bearish range. How we are going to look for a bearish range? We must look for strong high first. We are going to find a strong high. We are going to look for the nearest swing high above the last buy sell liquidity takeout. The last buy sell liquidity takeout going to be this. This is the swing high we have. So strong high, weak low, right? So now here, the thing we're going to do is looking for PUI. So for the PUI, you're going to follow the MPR rule. Strong high, weak low, T1 range. This is a T1 range. Go to +1 high time frame. What we can see here. So above this, the near thing we have. So I can see a beautiful imbalance here. Okay. And we are going to wait for 50% of the imbalance to take up. And we can look for opportunity and confirmation entry here. So here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. I mentioned in the strategy course video on the Discord, and I talk about the imbalance. The 50% of the imbalance not going to be always going to be taken out by price. Sometimes price going to tap into the imbalance and start to drop down. So, or fair value gap. But at the most of the time, we can expect to price take out the 50% of the imbalance. Now, if you are in this situation, I personally was waiting for the 50% of the imbalance take out and wait for beautiful entries here. But as I told you, market is not 100%. That's not going to be always true, okay? So if you want to know, okay, my MPR or PUI was wrong, okay, the only thing that's going to make you so confident to, now we missed the direct entry here, right? So the direct entry missed. What should we do? We're going to look for the entry, confirmation entry. How are we going to look for the confirmation entry at this situation while we are expecting to price take it out here? We are going to look for a clear bearish trend, guys. Clear bearish trend in 1 minute time frame. If in the 1 minute time frame you see a bearish QM, that's mean price going to start to drop. And yeah, you miss your direct entry. And if you want to make sure, the only thing you're going to do, if you see a 1 minute bearish range, clear bearish range, while you're, let's say, entry missed here, while you are expecting to price come here, just wait to price to see how price is going to respect to this range. After price respect to this range, look for stacking. When I say look for stacking, look for the other opportunity of like this. Okay. After this range, 1 minute range in 1 minute, in the 1 minute time frame with respect, and price take out the internal liquidity, take out the structural liquidity, and also after that make a bearish range again with clear QMs. That's mean you can have that confidence to cover this miss entry and enter on with confirmation entry. So the thing I did here, I realized here, okay, price didn't take out this. Go to the 1 minute time frame. My trading sessions start. So we have a clear QM here. Let's say break of market structure with body. Okay. Here too. Stop on takeout. Break of market structure with body. Now we have bearish QM, bullish QM at the same time, right? So This is going to be our bearish range, but we are expecting to price come to 50% of the imbalance, right? So we're gonna wait to price to respect this is strong high. If price respect this is strong high, we can have that confidence to wait for stacking and catching out a trade. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Now we can wait for another bearish range to form here, and we can go and cover that missed trade. The thing that I did. Okay. We have, let's say, stop hunt here, a bearish QM4, break off market structure with body. Okay. So we're gonna wait for bullish QM right now. Okay. Good. So we have our stop hunt here. We have our bullish QM with body close, break up market structure with body. Now, what is this range? This is, and now this is going to be our strong high, weak, low. So what is this range? This is a T1 range, right? So this is going to be the internal liquidity as a textbook setup. And this is going to be our area that we are expecting to price, order block that we are expecting to price, take out this and start to drop. So we are going to set our position here. This is going to be our break-even point. And this is going to be our last target. So also, you can set your, let's say, in the order block subject, you can choose two type of entry for order block. First, the whole body. Second, the session that that section of the close of the order block that's going to be at this situation, that's going to be here. So the difference is, if you choose this, you're going to catch a high risk to reward. If you set your entry here, you're going to catch high risk to reward, but you're going to have some mistrade because the volume can be, the volume and orders can be a lot of this section. So price can, that's going to be something like magnet, but that's not going to be like, that's going to be something like 50% of the imbalance that I told you. But if you want to make sure to just catch trade, you can set your here. So this is two type. So here, let's say if your minimum risk to reward is 4, we have a lot of students that they just follow my trading plan. They are looking for minimum 4 risk to reward per day. They're not catching, they don't catch 3.5 R. They minimum risk to reward is 4. So at this situation, don't take it hard. Okay. Just say, okay, now I have 2 options. Unfortunately, I can't catch this option because this is 3.6. I'm aiming for minimum 4R. So I will gonna sit here. Not here. Not here. Something between here. Just sometimes be realistic in the market, okay? And so yeah, we are still in trading session. Okay, now we are tapped in. We are gonna go break even here. So our trading session finish. Yeah, already you can set your position here. But the thing I did, I was set my position here. We are break even and we are still aiming for this. Did my break even hit? Okay. Yeah, our break even can be hit here. But in my scenario, I was at the gym at this time, so I forget the break even. So that was my lucky. Sometimes set and forget gonna help you a lot. I'm gonna be honest. Sometimes set and forget gonna be help you a lot. So at this time I was on the gym. I forget my alarm hit here, but I forget to break even. And yeah, that was my lucky. But for the traders, for the, let's say, student that set their order here, their break even is still good. And for the student that enter like me here, they're gonna be break even, no problem. This is part of the game. Losses break even is part of the game. But the important thing is just psychology. Sometimes setup forget gonna save you from these mistakes. So yeah, that reason I'm so happy to set up forget I was the gym and I did break even. So Yeah, this is the other opportunity of stacking. Done. Okay. So this was my position, but with the trading plan you have, you can easily catch this position here. Stop below this. And after that, you can start stacking. Hope you understand it, guys. Today market was not bad, not bad, not bad. So, and I hope you understand it. And if you have any questions, just let me know from the comments and also in the question section of the Discord for the students. And don't forget to just give me a feedback of this video by following my YouTube, subscribe my YouTube, put some like and comments. And yep, hope you understand it. Have a great day, guys.